China's high-speed trains generally run at speeds of 350 kilometers per hour, which is roughly 220 miles per hour. Onboard screens display the actual running speed. Currently, Wuhan has 3 high-speed railway stations, and in the future, the number is expected to reach 10. We arrived at one of Wuhan's high-speed stations, Wuhan Station, which is shaped like a bat. This design became widely joked about during the COVID-19 pandemic. The station has 2 levels. The lower level is for exiting, and the upper level is for entering, with entrances on both the east and west sides. Taking the escalator to the upper entrance requires passing through security, which is fine for foreigners with passports as well. Once inside, I was surprised by how huge the waiting hall is. It has several sections, but the layout is very clear and not confusing. Of course, there are plenty of food shops as well. Even upstairs, I was unexpectedly able to see trains passing above. It's hard to tell exactly how the structure works. There are many empty seats, plenty of space for travelers to rest. While waiting, I also noticed a fun 3D advertisement that looked very realistic. Look, the elephant's head and trunk really seem to come out of the screen. Finally, we could enter the platform. I noticed an interesting detail. While waiting, the large screens show passengers their train number and the color of their carriage. On the platform, passengers can then find the corresponding color on the ground and wait there, making it easy to board the correct carriage. Another detail about Chinese trains is that all seats face forward. There are no backward-facing seats. Each seat can apparently rotate, so it can always face the direction of travel. For someone like me, who easily gets motion sickness, this is incredibly considerate. The seat spacing is very generous, much wider than in an economy class airplane, allowing plenty of legroom. The aisle has sinks with hot and cold water, as well as boiled water for instant noodle, tea, or baby formula. These facilities existed on previous old-style trains, but now everything is much cleaner and more hygienic. The restrooms have been upgraded from squat toilets to Western-style toilets. Overall, the experience is quite good. During our wait in the hall, we also happened to see groups of newly enlisted soldiers, each wearing red ribbons to honorably serve and protect their country. It's said that on Chinese high-speed trains, you can even order deliveries. When the train reaches the next station, a delivery person will bring your package on board. This has already been confirmed by some passengers, and it feels a bit luxurious.